Please welcome back to my YouTube channel, Promise Skin and Health. If this is your first time of stopping by, you are welcome. In this channel, I share tips on health and skin. I teach on how to make skincare products. I teach on how to make healthcare products with natural ingredients and herbs. So yes, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you lots of fruits and vegetables that is very good for your health and for your skin as well, because sometimes we just eat and we are just eating, the wrong way, not the wrong thing but the wrong way. Sometimes when we are taking lots of food and we don't add enough vitamins to what we are eating, so a lot of us we lack vitamins. That's why we are falling sick in and out and all that. Some of us are in and out of the hospital. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you fruit and vegetables that you can add to improve your health. To add cucumber to your food, because cucumber is nutritious fruit. It contains high water. Eating cucumber will help you to lower your blood sugar. It will prevent constipation and support weight loss. And also, cucumber help in your health is very good. It has a lot of health benefit and it has a lot of skin benefit as well. It will help you to detoxify your body system. It will help you to give you a clearer complexion, getting rid of pigmentation and detoxifying your skin as well. So cucumber is very good to add to your skin care and health care routine. Tomato. A lot of us, we don't know that tomato is very good. Eating raw tomato is very good because tomato is rich with lot of vitamins. Vitamin C, vitamin K is also very good for your health as well. Tomato has a lot of health benefit to your heart and it helps prevent cancer. So tomato is very good. If you can be eating raw tomato, it's very good. Also, it helps in digestive system as well. It flushes out toxins from your body system and it contains antioxidants, so it's very good. And also it's good for the brain, it's good for the heart and for the lungs as well. And it's also brightens your skin and fights inflammation, and it gets rid of dark spots with time. So if you can be eating cucumber, is very good. Another vegetable that you need is cabbage. Cabbage is very good. Cabbage contains vitamin C, vitamin K, and lots of nutrients and vitamins. So eating cabbage also helps to lower the risk of lots of diseases in our body, and it also is inflammation, and it's also is very good. It's very good for the skin and for the health as well. It will help to detoxify the body system and balance your immune system as well. That will help you to fight a lot of sicknesses and keep your body healthy and fresh as well. Another vegetable I have here is carrot. Carrot is very good for the skin, it's very good for the health, it's very good for the eye as well. It's brightening, like some people that find it difficult to see from afar. Carrots will help you to brighten that eye. It will help you to get rid of the eye problem, and it will help your vision to be more clearer than the way it used to be. So carrot is very healthy. Carrots will help you to balance your blood sugar. So those of us that have issue with blood sugar, eat more of carrots and you will see an amazing result. And they are great in weight management. If you are overweight, continue eating carrots combined with cucumber. You will see an effective result. It also lower the risk of cancer. So a lot of things is, in fact, there are a lot of things that we do not know or that we are neglecting as we are eating our food and all that, applying our skincare products, and we just ignore this thing. They are very good. Carrots also help in blood pressure regulation. so it helps to regulate the blood pressure. It also helps to get rid of heart diseases. Those heart diseases, carrot will help you to get rid of heart diseases as well, so it's very good. And another vegetable I have here is beetroot. Beetroot is rich with antioxidants that has lot of health and skin benefits as well. It is anti-cancer. It contains anti-cancer properties which helps to fight and prevent cancer. So if you can be eating beetroot on a regular basis, it's very good for your skin and for your health as well. And it's also anti-inflammatory. It has anti-inflammatory properties as well. So your skin is inflamed, so just keep eating beetroot. It's very good, and it lower the blood pressure as well, and it get rid of lot of diseases from her body. It improve and supports energy level as well, and it's helping digestive system also. So carrot is good, cabbage is good, cucumber is nice, tomato is good, and beetroot as well is good. And beetroot has lot of benefit to the skin. It slows down the sign of premature aging. It brightens the skin. It hydrates the skin. It's anti-inflammatory, and also it promotes the collagen on our body system and detoxify the skin as well. It's natural exfoliator. It will exfoliate your skin from within to outside of your body, and it also treats pigmentation. So this beetroot is very good if you can be eating, if you can see it. So these are what I have for you. So the simplest way to prepare this is just wash everything together. Wash everything together. Cut them into tiny pieces. You can add salad cream that is low in fat, okay, low in fat, and check the content of the salad cream, because some people just, oh, I can't eat it that way. So you can add a little bit of salad cream to give it a nice taste, okay. But if you're a slim person, you can just use the normal salad cream. But if you are fat, you need to watch your weight by adding low fat, okay, low fat salad cream into this content. And if you don't want to add salad cream and you don't want to eat it that way, you can put all into your blender without adding water, because the tomato contains water already, and the cucumber contains water already, carrot contains water already. Then you blend it and you shift that, and you can drink it that way. See, continuous doing this will get rid of a whole lot of sicknesses from your system. It works without even going to the hospital. It works perfectly well. So you just continue to do this and give me your feedback. Okay, so that's what I have for you, dears, today. Remember, good skin begins with good health. Do take care of your skin. Do take care of your health. See you in my next video.